Russia's lunar mission, the Luna 25, has ended in failure. The spacecraft got out of control and ultimately crashed into the surface of the moon. This marks a disappointing end to Russia's first moon mission in nearly half a century, as the country's state space corporation Roscosmos announced the incident. The Luna 25 spacecraft encountered a catastrophic failure shortly after a critical maneuver as it was being positioned into its pre-landing orbit on Saturday. In a statement released by Roscosmos, the agency revealed that contact with the spacecraft had been lost due to an unforeseen issue during the critical phase of the mission. Roscosmos made an official announcement conveying the outcome of the Luna 25 mission. They stated that the apparatus moved into an unpredictable orbit and ceased to exist as a result of a collision with the surface of the moon. This abrupt and unexpected end marks a significant setback for the Russia's space exploration ambitions and has left the scientific and space communities worldwide in shock. In an official statement on Telegram, Roscosmos said, on August 19th, in accordance with the first program of the Luna 25 spacecraft, it was planned to issue an impulse to form its pre-landing elliptical orbit. At about 2:57 p.m. Moscow time, communication with the Luna 25 spacecraft was interrupted. The measures taken on August 19th and 20th to search for the device and get in touch with it did not produce any results. A specially formed interdepartmental commission will deal with the issues of clarifying the reasons for the loss of the moon, the Russian space agency concluded. The Luna 25 mission was an integral part of Russia's efforts to resurrect its lunar exploration program. The spacecraft was designed to land on the moon's south pole. The failed mission was meant to serve as a precursor for more advanced lunar endeavors, paving the way for upcoming Luna 26 and Luna 27 missions. Roscosmos had originally outlined the Luna 25 mission as a significant milestone in Russia's space exploration narrative, which was a long-awaited return to lunar exploration after 47 years since the last successful Soviet lunar mission.